Hey web creators, have you ever wondered how those mesmerizing loading animations are made? The ones that keeps you hooked while a page loads? In this video, I am going to show you how to create a glowing loader animation like this, one using nothing but just pure HTML and CSS. Yes, that's right. No JavaScript, no libraries, just a simple and clean code that gets the job done. So guys, let's begin with ID. First we create our loader.html file, and then after we create our loader.css file. After that, in HTML file we create our boilerplate and we add one div with a class name as a ring. So this is nothing but our outer ring as we shown. Okay, so after that we add some loading text and we add some empty span tag. So we link our CSS style sheet with our HTML file and let's open it with live server. After that we give some CSS for our body. So we give some margin 0 and padding 0, and we set some background color as a dark color. Let's set color like dark gray type color. After that we give some our CSS property to our ring div. After we add some position absolute, and from top side we give 50%, and from left side we give also 50%. So we need to adjust it in a center. After that we use a transform property and give some translate from -50% to -50%. After that we add some width of 150 pixel and height of 150 pixel, so it's a pure square box. And after that we use transparent background, and also we use border as a 3 pixel with solid dark color. Now our div is clearly visible, and after we need to create div as a circle ring. So we give some radius of 50%, so it's make a ring like circular shape. After that we give text align as a center and also give some line height of 150 pixel. Now our text is in the center of the ring, and also give font family to the text as sans serif, and also give font size of 15 pixel, not 15, we give some 20 pixels so it's clearly visible on screen. After that I give some dark yellow color to the text as, and give some letter spacing, that is in between the letters we give 4 pixel. And after that we add text transform as a uppercase, so it's in a capital letter, so which looks like different, and give some text shadow of 20 pixel with dark yellow color. After that we give some box shadow as 20 pixel with RGB color style, with give some alpha property as 0.5. Now you can see it's like our ring, and now we give some properties like using before ring before. So we set content and give some absolute position. After that from top side we use -3 pixel, and from left side we use -3 pixel, and also give some width of 100% and height of 100% same. So after that we use border as 3 pixel with solid color. Now we need to create it as a circle, but first thing we have to use it as a border as a top side, and also we need to redefine border. So I use here border as same as here 3 pixel with solid color, and I use transparent. Okay, so from top right we also need some give properties. So from top we give same property as 3 pixel with solid dark yellow color. Now we need to create it as a semicircle, so it's moving on our ring, so we give some border radius of 50%. So now our semicircle is ready, and after that we need to give some property for the span tag. So we first use a display as a block and also give some absolute position, and from top side we give some using calc function, give some 50% and -2 pixel. Right now the small dot is not visible actually, so we use some left side from 50% and also give some width of 50%. So now we set background as transparent and give some transform origin from the left side. So now also we use here before property of CSS, that is span before. Now we give some content as empty and give some position as absolute. After that we give some width of 16 pixel and also define height as 16 pixel. Then we give some border radius of 50%. Now for background color we need also define. So for background color we use same as a dark yellow color. So now our dot is visible, which is moving with the ring. And from top we give some minus pixel, and from right also we give minus 8 pixel. So now we use a box shadow here. So for box shadow we give 20 pixel with dark yellow color. Now you can see the shadow is clearly visible. So now for animation, for moving we use a keyframe property, as you know. So I give the animation name as animate C. So for 0% we use a transform as a rotate with 0 degree, and for 100% we use a transform rotate with 360 degree. So for 1 360 degree cycle it's move. And also we need to give animation for ring also. So we use keyframe animate and we give same properties, just we change some properties from 45 degree to we move it for the 405 degree. So it is for dot. And so now we add our animation keyframe properties in the span tag. So we use animate and give some 2 seconds linear infinite. So actually our dot is moving, actually our ring needs to move. Okay, so in also ring before we add our animation, so animate C, and we give some 2 seconds and linear infinite time. For linear infinite time we give this animation. So our loader is ready and you can see it. So clean modern loader animation built entirely with a pure HTML and CSS. So I hope this tutorial help you to understand how easy it can be to create loaders animation for your projects. If you enjoy this tutorial and learn something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, that hits that subscribe button for more web development tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I will be catch you in the next one.